Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, where we learn English together in a simple and happy way. I am Noah.
And I am Sarah. We are so glad you are here with us today. How are you? We hope you feel good and ready to learn.
Today, our topic is very important. The title is Stop Being Afraid of Making Mistakes. Many students feel scared when they speak English. They think, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh? But today we will talk why this fear is not helpful and how we can stop it.
Yes, mistakes are normal. They help us learn. In this episode, we will share easy phrases, real examples, and simple conversations. You will feel more confident after listening.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us make more lessons for you. Okay? Great! Now, let's begin. First, let's listen to a short story. Anna is a student. She wants to speak English. One day in class, the teacher asks, "What did you eat for breakfast?" Anna knows the answer, but she is afraid. She thinks, maybe I will say it wrong, so she stays quiet. After class, she feels sad.
Poor Anna. Many of us are like Anna, but today we will learn how to change that. Noah, why do you think people are afraid of mistakes?
Good question, Sarah. I think because we want to be perfect, but no one is perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes. When I started learning Spanish, I said wrong words many times, but each mistake taught me something new.
Exactly. Let's repeat that important idea. Mistakes help us learn. Say it with me. Mistakes help us learn. Good job. You did it. Now, let's discuss more. Okay, listeners, let's talk about common fears. First fear, people will laugh at me. Have you ever felt this?
Yes, I have. But usually people do not laugh. They understand. Last week, I spoke with a friend in English. I said, I go to store yesterday, instead of, I went to the store yesterday. My friend smiled and said, no problem, I understand. Then he helped me.
That's a great example. Let's practice the correct sentence. Repeat after me. I went to the store yesterday.
Nice. Now, Sarah, share your example.
Sure. I remember my first job interview in English. I was very nervous. I said, I like work with people, but I wanted to...
Sure. I remember my first job interview in English. I was very nervous. I said, I like work with people, but I wanted to say, I enjoy working with people. The manager understood and gave me the job anyway. Why? Because I tried. Trying is more important than perfect.
Yes, trying is more important than perfect. Let's say that together. Trying is more important than perfect.
Listeners, you are doing so well. Remember, every time you speak, even with small mistakes, your brain gets stronger. It's like exercise for your English muscles.
Exactly. Now, let's listen to another short example. Tom wants to order coffee. He thinks, if I say the wrong words, the waiter will be angry. But he tries. Can I have a big coffee, please? The waiter smiles and gives him the coffee. Tom feels happy. One small try, one big win. See? The world does not stop because of a mistake. Now, let's talk about useful phrases to encourage yourself.
Phrase number 1. It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes. When you make a mistake, say quietly to yourself, it's okay to make mistakes. I am learning. This helps you feel calm.
Let me give a real-life example. Yesterday, I tried a new recipe. I put too much salt. I said, it's okay to make mistakes. Next time, I will use less salt. Then I laughed and ate it anyway. The same works for English.
Great point. Phrase number 2. Practice makes better. Not perfect, but better.
I like that. Practice makes better. Repeat, please. Practice makes better.
My example, I practice English every morning. Sometimes I forget words, but after 1 month, I remember more. You can do the same. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Say, "Good morning. Today I will try my best."
That's motivating. Phrase number 3, every mistake is a lesson.
Yes. Let's make a small dialogue together. I will be student A, you be student B.
Okay. Oh no, I said I eated instead of I ate.
Every mistake is a lesson. Now you know the correct word is ate. Good job.
Thank you, Sarah. Listeners, practice this dialogue with a friend or even alone. Change the words, make it yours. Let's do another one.
I feel shy to speak.
It's okay. Start with simple sentences. My quick breakfast is a banana. What about you?
My quick breakfast is coffee and bread. See, easy and real.
Wonderful. You were improving already.
Now let's talk about different situations where people make mistakes and why it's fine.
First situation, shopping.
Imagine you are in a store. You want to say, "How much is this?" But you say, "How many is this?" The shopkeeper understands and shows the price. No problem.
Exactly. My real example. In the market, I said, "I want 2 apples." The seller smiled and gave me 2 apples. Then I learned and said 2 apples next time.
Second situation, talking with friends.
Friends are the best place to make mistakes. They support you. I told my friend, "I go vacation next month." He replied, "Great! Where will you go?" He did not stop the conversation because of grammar. That's beautiful. Third situation, at work or school. Many students worry about presentations, but teachers like effort. I once gave a short talk with many mistakes. The teacher said, "Good effort. Next time, you will be clearer." Listeners, please remember, good effort is always noticed. Let's practice a longer conversation. I will start. "Hi, Sarah. How are you today?" "I am fine, thank you. And you?" "I am good. Yesterday, I make a mistake in English class." "What happened?" "I said, I have 25 years old instead of I am 25 years old." It's okay to make mistakes. Many people say that at first. Now you know the correct way. I am 25 years old. Yes, thank you for helping. See how natural that felt? You can record yourself saying similar talks. Listen and smile at your progress. Thank you so much for listening. You did a great job today. Before we finish, here is our fun community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments. Do you drink water? Do you say good morning to yourself? We read every comment. Yes! Share your answer and one mistake you made this week. We can learn together. Remember, you are not alone. We are here with you on this English journey. Stay positive, keep practicing, and stop being afraid. You can do it. This was episode on hashtag Stop Being Afraid of Making Mistakes. Like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs encouragement. We will see you next time.